for getting his pilot's license. Where the hell is that motherfucker?
To my father's black card, to my black card.
God, I haven't done Sambuca since I was 20 years old. Yeah! I'm the king of the world! Let's go. Did he fucking pass out? Hold the door! Yo, Jason, get in! Get in! They're crazy, Jay! I learned from the best! Yeah! Woo!
You guys think you're crazy, huh? Jumping out of airplanes, flying like birds. That is crazy. I like this phone. This is a nice fucking phone. So, what do we have here? Grant and Jason from California, huh? Well, I hope your mama and your papa really, really love you, because you two white boys, you look very expensive. And that's good, because I like expensive things. I'm sorry, what did you say? What did you say? Do you want me to slice you open like I did your friend? Shut the fuck up! Okay? I'm the one with the fucking dick. Look at me. Look me in the fucking eye. Hey! You fuck! Look me in the eye. You're my bitch. I rule this fucking kingdom. Shut the fuck up, or you die. What is it, Jason? Jason, what is it? Why aren't you laughing now like you did up there? But it's just not fun anymore. Have I failed to entertain you? You see, the thing is, up there, you thought you had a chance. Way up in the fucking skies, you thought you had your finger on the pussy trigger. But hermano, down here. Down here. You hit the ground. It's okay. I'm gonna chill, I'm gonna relax, because you, Wah, and your tough guy brother, we're gonna have a lot of fun together while we wait for the money.
Stop scaring the hostages. I need you to take care of the rejects.
I just hope that you two pieces of fox are more entertaining than your friends. Ta-ta. Bye-bye. Get you every fucking time, man. Fucker! You hurt? I don't think so. I have to find the others. How? I'm working on it. Call the guard. What? Call the guard. Do it.
Hey, over here.
The fuck? Hey, you guys shut the fuck up!
Shit. Holy fuck, he's dead.
That is what they teach you in the army. Follow me.
Jay, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Keep low.
It's true. Why would I lie about this? You're being a jackass.
This is insane.
And his parents are rich. We'll get more money for him than any of the others. Why is it always me? You think to do the bad things. It fucking sucks. I'm ready. Look at me. This is not the life of a pirate I wanted.
Crouch down. Shit. Dogs. Hold on, stop.
What is that dog going off about? It's like you. Full of shit.
Stay quiet.
You're in there running to work. What? Holy fucking shit!
Jay, you okay? Keep low.
Bullshit's true. Why would I lie about this? You're being a jackass. The burnout. And his parents are rich. We'll get more money for him than any of the others. Why do I always have to do this? Why is it always me? I get picked to do the bad things. It fucking sucks. I'm
Crouch down.
Look, this is not the life of the pirate I wanted.
Shit. Dogs. Hold on, stop.
What's that dog going off about? He's like you, full of shit.
Stay quiet.
Fuck that dog. If you're going to give me that kind of food, expect what's coming back at you.
Grab our stuff and the map. Pick up that phone, too. On the table.
Reporting
right
in.
there.
Hey, who's on?
Keep moving. Hold up. What? Damn, we need to get him out of our way. Throw a rock over there. Okay. Hide. Okay, it worked. Let's move.
Definitely head down.
Okay. Good.
I Who's that?
Oh, shit.
What the fuck?
Holy shit. Oh, God. I can't do this, Grant.
Jay, look at me. I can't find Lisa and Riley and the others without you. So pull it together. Okay?
Yesterday you were all
Okay, I'm sorry.
I really were. I laughed. Cried some more. Remember the last
Oh my God, there's so many of them, man. It's that psycho.
She gets home very fast. Yesterday you just received a call. Fuck the call. Nobody wants to pay for you. You're worthless. I say all the time. All the time. Family is priceless. Family is priceless. No, please. That's fucking bullshit. Family is an anchor when you are. Look me in the eye.
You sitting around waiting for him to come into the room. And before you know it, he had 2 others with him. We sat with fucking all night
Quick.
long.
Hiding the plants.
Yeah.
Never had such a good time.
Behind you. This is a fucking nightmare, man.
This is my favorite. When you start action, is
We have to get past
then you
him.
can do
Throw a
anything,
rock there.
and no one can stop it. When you have that gun, put it in someone's head.
All right. Let's go.
Okay.
Those things are starting to work. But if you want to give me that, I just put it. Take that fucking like so.
Where are we?
In here.
Everyone wants to get Benny help.
I'm not afraid. No, please. I'm not afraid. No, please.
Where are we?
Never should have made that jump alone. I promised Dad I'd take care of you two.
Does it say where Riley is?
We're gonna find him. We're gonna free the others, and then we're going home.
No! Stay with me, Grant! Please, don't die! Hold on, Grant, hold on! No, Grant! Grant!
I like that. No, I respect that. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. And if the jungle doesn't eat you up alive, I will. Fucking death! I said get the fuck out of here, you chicken fuck! Run, Forrest! Run! Run, Forrest! Run! Fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck!
Shit! No!
I see him! He's dead! You're dead!
I gotta get out of here. Fuck! I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. gotta get out of here. Get out of here. I have to find Riley and the others. Please let them be alive.
He's dead! I found him!
Speaks through the warrior. The path leads to the heart of the jungle. Follow the path, and you will find the answer.
Where am I? What the hell?
You are awake. Well, not all of you. The arm has been deadened to allow for the Tatau. It is brave to swim a storm, but to sunbathe on a beach with pirates, insanity. You have the right to take my life. But no, I will also take yours. I am Dennis.
Jason.
Mangao. Lava Lava. The heron, the shark, and the spider. I know who you are, Jason. You are a warrior. And the Tatau will allow for you to reveal your true self.
Listen, my older brother has been killed. I need to find my younger brother and 4 other friends.
Come with me.
So you'll help me?
No, you can only help yourself. I am going to free you.
How did I get here?
I found you on the beach. Welcome to Amanaki village. It is something, isn't it, huh? The Salamat Tengahari. I have Jason Brody with me, the man who escaped Vas Camp alive. Your escape is a sign that the battle has turned. Our people are in need of good news.
So, these are your people?
The island calls to the strongest. They called to me. The island dwellers, the Rakyat, accepted. And I became a member of their tribe. They are something, aren't they?
Beautiful, most definitely.
I could have anyone I choose. But my will is set on one woman. Here. Cash for weapons.
Oh,
You want to save your brother, right?
I've never shot anyone before.
What do they say in America? There's a first time for everything.
Get those radio towers online.
Follow me, my friend.
God, I can't get any Scotland from the remote villages.
Here, the power comes from the jungle, from the island. You must learn the terrain, know where to stand at all times. Vas uses the towers to map the island and to locate his men. Scramblers block access. Our people have no use for devices such as these. But you will learn valuable information from them. Yes, the Scramblers are at the top. Each tower covers a limited area. Climb them all and you will reveal the entire map.
That must be the radio tower. Don't look down.
Nice ride, huh?
It's done.
Good. Show me a map. You see, Everything you need to know has been revealed by the radio tower. Shops, adventures. The island calls to you. And, like you, Jason, the shopkeepers are from the outside. They will use the radio towers to do business and reward you with weapons for every tower you free. A true warrior must hunt. It is the natural order of things. Look at the map. Select your hunting ground. Do not fear your instincts. Society has taught you how to fail, not nature.
Here.
Now, if you want to save your friends, you must know the jungle. Animal skins and leather will help you to carry many weapons and equipment. Plants can be mixed to create potent medicines that heal you, enhance your senses, and more. Go. Return to me once you have mastered the jungle.
What does that mean? What am I supposed to do?
Shoulder. Kakite.
Plants and animals. Trees. Yes! I've got you.